Was there an explosion? No. Why? How is the girl with the bomb? It's Meredith. The girl with the bomb is Meredith. Where is she? She's right here. That is not the show he was asking. Do you know what tomorrow is? It's Friday. There's going to be more patients who come in who need you to save them. Someone's mother, someone's kid, someone's husband. They need you to save them because they can't save themselves. So learn from this, better yourself, and you will be better for next time. You will be. How can you know that? Because he was your one. Every patient you treat, you're going to see my husband's face. And remember that he was the one that died on your watch. He will haunt you, the hard one always did. And it only takes that one. But that one will make you work harder, and then make you better. Or they make you quit. And you don't get to waste what would have been the rest of my husband's life being a quitter. So get back inside because you're not saving any lives out here. Shine a light over here, says something right here. There's blood coming out of my ID. I'm in DSC. I need FFP.